Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery above 20% and battery saver off, because always on display needs consistent power. Now open Settings, tap Display, then Always on Display. When the system asks for lock screen and notification permissions, grant them. This lets the phone show notifications and prevent the feature being blocked. Once done, you'll see the main Always on display toggle. Turn it on. This initial setup ensures the phone won't automatically shut the feature off and prepares you for customization. Once enabled, customize how it looks so it's useful and efficient. You can pick a clock style, add widgets, and change dial color. Choose a simple design to save power. Next, set a schedule. Select Always, Night Only, or define custom times to limit display hours. Make sure to adjust brightness or enable the low-power always-on mode if your Vivo Y58 offers it. These choices balance visibility with battery life. Selecting darker themes and limited hours reduces drain significantly. Finish by saving changes and testing. Lock the phone and glance at the screen to confirm the always-on display appears. If it doesn't show, reboot the device and recheck lock screen and notification permissions. Sometimes a restart applies changes. Make sure battery saver or performance modes aren't overriding display settings. If problems persist, reset display preferences in settings to clear conflicts. That restores defaults without deleting personal data. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling the feature off, rebooting, then re-enabling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.